Hey guys, Dustin here, and today we have something pretty stinking cool that I am excited to come out and shoot. Safe Life Defense has their new Hyperline armor. Hyperline being, I mean, crazy thin. So this is 3A armor. It's going to stop like any pistol round out there, and it's just incredibly thin. 0.19 inches, so less than a 1/4 inch thin. Here, for comparison, this is another brand that we tested a little while back and is easily over 1/2 inch thick. Here's 0.17. That's a BB. Okay, so it is just 2/100ths of an inch thicker than a BB. That's pretty cool. They say it can be concealed under a t-shirt, but okay, I had it on the whole time today. Maybe you noticed, maybe you didn't. My wife didn't until she hugged me. So it's pretty neat. And if you want to go even further, you can make it, you could put a level 4 plate in it like this. This is not the frass that Safe Life makes some awesome flexible armor, but you got a pocket up front and you can insert that in, and now you're rifle rated. I feel like I'm in Call of Duty and I'm just repairing armor. There we go, but now it's heavier. Boy, those are floppy. But anyway, since we had these old Kevlar panels, I figure occasionally what we'll do is we will compare how it's doing if we shoot it a couple times to how this new Hyperline's working. We didn't explain something. He has one already battle wound right there. That was a tungsten AP round. We found out why level 3 plates are only level 3 and not level 4. Anyway, you can go find that video if you want to. Otherwise, time to shut up and shoot. So I figure if you're in a shootout with somebody in a dark alley, they're probably using a trash high point. So we might as well start there. I hate this. Okay. Punk! So 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't mean to stack them in the same hole. I figured going gangster. Ooh, that's warm. I figured going gangster, and you were up against a hardcore gangster that knows how to shoot, and he put them all in the same hole. Okay, we have re-ripped our carrier a touch, but that's it. That's it. It's just some bruising right there. That's crazy for that thin stuff. Whoa! Look, it stopped it in the, it only went through this little moisture layer, and it stopped it cold. It didn't even, stopped it cold, but the bullets are warm. That's crazy. See, Kevlar usually buries them. Okay, it went through the logo just a tiny bit. That's insanely tough stuff. Okay, so old school Kevlar versus high point. Watch it go through. Oh, the brass casings fell out of the sky, and I was like, oh, the bullet's bouncing back. We got one more round. Okay, now we're empty. In the Hyperline, it stopped them flat. In the Kevlar, you can tell it really bunched up. So you saw a lot more bunching up with the Kevlar, where that Hyperline was just seemed to have a lot more rigidity and strength. Maybe that will translate to, you know, if it was bunching up, that means it's going to be poking you when you get hit with Kevlar. But with this having so much rigidity, I bet it wouldn't hurt as much. So, volunteers? We won't do that. So we got my Snub Nose 38 right here. Spread the shots out a little more. Oh, now that's cool. That Snub Nose got a little close, and you can see the powder swirl of the rotation of the bullet. And of course you also see the rounds are stopped right in the surface so much that we can just pluck these buddies out. That's cool. That's cool smash. But yeah, 16-inch 38, not a problem at all. So now it's time for 45. Fun. It sounds cool too. Assassination! There are no flesh wounds there. Yeah, just like we expected. Oh, someone keeps shooting the same hole, it looks like. We've got 1, 2, 3 layers, and it feels like 2 or 3 bullets in that layer there. We've got some hollow point 50 AE. Normal 3A rating stops around 44 mag. So this is pushing it. Should we hang with the gangster theme? I think so. I don't know where it went, but I'm just gonna hit it again. Let's hit top left corner this time. Oh man! Why not? One more down there just because I'm having fun. That muzzle flash is cool too. I hope that picks up on camera. It only went through that much with the 50 AE, and we're at point blank. And so it still has all that left. It only ripped up one little section here. I've never shot a Smith & Wesson 500 gangster style, so for safety reasons, we're gonna only put one in it. Say you just had that big gangster dude in a Smith & Wesson 500 just gonna... That wasn't too bad. That didn't even start to puncture. This Hyperline junk is just amazing. 357 out of a 16-inch long barrel, kind of impressive. We better stop right there, because I think something may have happened. Oh, we stopped it. I guess I heard all the bullets rattling from down here earlier, and I thought I did something impressive to it. We still have 2 rounds left, so we have to try it. Got it! So it went halfway through with a 357 rifle. Yes, it's hot. I'm just trying to be really manly and not drop it. This is also telling me how much more comfortable it'll get over time with just natural movement. Because I've only worn this vest a day, and so it's a little rigid still, but you give it a week, it'll probably limber up and be a lot more comfortable. I'm tired of playing games though. We turned that vest around, so now we're using the back side. It's machine gun madness time. Go ahead, Carl, put that in. You should be ready to rock and roll. Yeah, give it a tug, okay. Back up just a little bit. That's gonna be a lot of rounds. All right, lean up at it. I want to make sure you're gonna, yep, you like that control? Okay, give me a magazine burst. Just burst, get them in there.
Where's safety?
It should be on. You remember, it's just a 12-pound trigger.
Oh, yeah.
The sound of all the bullets falling on the ground. Okay, let's pull that magazine out and go see. He had a good group going. We talked about spreading them out a little bit. Let's see what we have. There they are, all these hot 45 rounds right here. Some of them did go a little deeper. Some of them are still on the surface. Let's check it out. No penetration. You want to do the honorary HK slap? Higher. I can start seeing bullets. I am pretty sure we went below the vest for there, that one round. That one round went below the vest. But look, he hit it on the very edge with one, and it stopped this one that's on the very edge. Normally you hit the edge of something, you're screwed. But look at that. We have one, it's just got tangled up in that very outer edge of material, and it stopped the bullet. That's pretty cool. All the machine gun fire getting stopped. We just had to lift one layer up and we found everything. All these machine gun rounds. Look at that. Look at this one. A bullet got hit by another bullet. I don't know if it was this one, but that's pretty cool. That's from the Thompson. That's kind of neat. Mag dump comparison, MP5 versus Kevlar. Oh snap! That don't look too good for Bill. Cause did you ever see the Hyperline bunch get its panties in a bunch over the over a little bit of bullets? No. Oh wow! Well, it looks like one got through one layer. We may have some others come through. For the majority, we have a good pile of bullets there. Would it make you nervous that it might be going through? This will be like 90 rounds. That's insane. 80s gangster style. It didn't go through any of the white layers. Okay, we're starting to get a few. Yikes! They stay hotter when they're insulated. Fragmented. They're probably hitting each other again. And then, yeah, we have bullets all inside, all inside. Let's try something special on this part right here. So this one's pushing the envelope. This is Fort Scott munitions. These are solid copper spun. Now, in soft armor, as you've seen, it likes to flatten that lead out. There's no lead to flatten here. This is an unfair fight. That solid copper bullet's even pointy. Instructions say not for pointy items. This is pointy. We're gonna go for that fresh spot on that side. I don't know about this one. We may have just killed Bill. Smoke came out when I pushed it. That's cool. I don't see a rip there, but I see damage on the carrier, but there's no entry on Bill. So it went in, traveled inside this white. There we are. It went through more layers than anything else. stopped it. Solid copper. Look at that. That nose, it deformed the nose. In case you don't remember what it looks like, look at that. It deformed it around the vest. That's insane. So Fort Scott versus Kevlar. Fresh spot there. Let's see what happens. That was a lot of movement on that the back flap. Nope, that went through. You can see it rip the lines. There goes through one. There goes through two. Cut through like butter, man. You can definitely see from the side. You can't see from the front because it's so dirty. Oh, wait. Okay, so it went through that. There it is. Kevlar stopped. It stopped it. In theory, Kevlar can stop a bullet after it goes through you and if you got it in the backside. So Hyperline, Kevlar. Which one do you want to wear?
What you say?
So, if you want to feel like Superman, wear that Hyperline body armor, and if you ever get in any trouble, you're protected. It does make you feel cool. You go to town with this, you're like, yeah, anything comes up, I'm in good shape. And so, you can go get it over at Safe Life Armor. We'll leave a link down below. And better yet, if you use code TOPSHOT, you'll get 10% off your whole order. I gotta say, putting this side by side to that Kevlar and seeing how rigid it was and how it actually stopped even full copper bullets, I'm sold. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Make sure you sign up over at topshotdustin.com for the email list. Check more fun stuff out. Okay, I love you, bye-bye. Did you see that? Come on, Nussie! Come on, Nussie! Yeah! I came in like a wrecking ball!